Okay, going downstairs. Into the mother-in-law. Also nice views from down here. There we go, now you can see them. And a beautiful garden. There's one bedroom down here with a bathroom and laundry. And then another bedroom. Double closets. And an identical bedroom on the other end. There's a big storage room back here. And evidently, this is what they call the bowling alley. It is one really long room. Guess you could use it as storage or go bowling. That's it. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, or actually 3 full baths.